Seraphina has been on almost 48 hours on her antiviral medication. She doesn't eat much, but I could tell by the way she's moving and acting that she does feel better. I threw some chicken down here. I'm also going to give her some antibiotic. I got to give her some food first. A couple days, even a day ago, she wouldn't even touch food, no matter what I put down. A little discouraged with her water intake. I tried giving her fluids once, and I was not happy with my results, so I'm like afraid to do it. Good girl. But to me, her hair looks better. I know this is crazy to say, but even her coat is darker. I mean, how weird is that? How did that happen? Seriously. And her, it's okay, girl. It's all right, girl. She's moving quicker. Please drink water. Jeez, damn it. Why are you not drinking water? I don't get that. Come here. Come on, girl. Come on, good girl. Come on. Come on, it's okay. But I can tell by the way she's moving. Before it was just a lot slower. And her face looked a little sunken. Now, honestly, her hair, I'm telling you, her hair looks darker. It was so weird. Maybe it's just me, but how you doing, girl? How you doing, girl? So, all I'm saying, I see some improvement. I'm gonna give her third antiviral today. Please drink water. Come on. Damn. What the fuck? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. I'm gonna let it go right now. Her belly's still big, but they say that takes a little while. It could take a week or two for it to shrink, and that will relieve pressure off things in there, which you don't want. You don't want her to have any problems where it gets so swollen that she has trouble breathing, or it puts pressure on the organs and they fail, you know. So they say if they're still alive after 48 hours on this medication, that the prognosis is good. It used to be a fucking death sentence for these cats. It was incurable. But this ResMed, whatever it is, COVID antiviral, has been saving their lives. But they have to be on this stuff for 84 days. And most of the time, there is no, what do you call it? Remission? No. What's the other word? There is no, I mean, what's the word? There is no, they don't get it again after this. There is no, I know what it is, but I can't, I just woke up, so. Man, what a nightmare this has been, Jesus. Poor girl. Alright. More updates later. Hopefully everything continues in the positive direction.